Today, we are going to learn the consonant sound S. The S is a fricative, which is made by continuously blowing out air through a narrow constriction in your mouth formed by the tongue. This causes the sound to be continuous and noisy. Let's talk about how to produce the S sound in detail. To make a correct S sound, the tongue tip and blade are more forward in the mouth. Place the tongue tip behind either the upper or the lower front teeth. Draw the tongue tip slightly away from the teeth. Slightly groove the tongue along the midline to allow air to freely flow across it and out of the mouth. Close the teeth so that they are barely touching. Your lips are apart and relaxed in a smile. Blow air out over the center of the tongue, just like this.
S. S.
Now, let's talk about how the S sound is written in English. S, C, C, circle. SS, toss. Class. SC, scene. SW, sword. Z, waltz. Let's practice the S sound in words.